Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have this nice 2021 Hot Wheels Deora III. From Hot Wheels Getaways, number 3 of 5. And as you can see, this card's pretty beat up. International Card scored this at a Shaw's in around February or March. I mean, this was like quite a while back. 70 of 250. Beat up card. Can't wait to get it open. It's on International Card. Scored this at a Shaw's. GRY 53 is the number. The Deora 3 is the third generation of the Dodge Deora, or aka the Deora made by Hot Wheels in 1968. Then they made a Deora 2 in the late 90s, early 2000s, and this is the Deora 3. Alright. Let's get this out of the packaging. Finally got to free it after all those months. Man, this thing has some weight to it. Holy moly. This thing really has some serious weight to it. Non-independent spinning wheels. Deora 3. Love the black. This is a black color Hot Wheels with the number 1 tempo on the side. You see that right there? Like the bike in the back, made out of plastic. And that surfboard with that red interior. So weird, and that's where you would sit and drive the vehicle. This is a crazy looking vehicle. I really like it. It's got chrome red RA6 wheels. Based off of Dodge Deora. Well, based off of a car based off of the Dodge Deora. Based off a car based off a car based off the Dodge Deora. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop there. Okay, so there's the back there. Not sure what that quite is. This thing is cool. This thing has some nice weight to it, because all the black is metal. Got a little arch there. I'd really like this car in real life. That would be cool. Deora 3 with a plastic red base. Deora 3 Hot Wheels Getaways. Thanks to everyone that tuned in. And please subscribe for more. I really appreciate your view. Bye-bye.